This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create horizontal lines in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I have Word opened up now. There are 5 different types of horizontal lines that you can create. The top one up here is a basic horizontal line. The next one down is a bold line. The next one down is a double line. The next one down is a dotted line. And the bottom one is a wavy line. Let me start over from the beginning. I'll show you how to create each one. Okay, to create a basic horizontal line, you want to make 3 dashes and then hit enter. That creates a basic horizontal line. To create a bold line, you want to do 3 underscores and then hit enter. 3 underscores and enter. And that creates a bold line. To create a double line, you want to do 3 equal signs and then hit enter. To create a dotted line, you want to do 3 asterisk symbols and then hit enter. And then to create a wavy line, you want to do 3 tide symbols. The tide symbol, the tide key can be found on the left side of the number 1. You want to hold down the shift key and then hit the tide key 3 times and then hit enter. And that creates a wavy line. That is the 5 types of horizontal lines that you can create in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.